Look at, he ain't got no knuckles. Look, where his knuckle at?
I'm a sniper now. You're not gonna hit me. Smack this one. They start fighting. We gotta have look.
Let's talk about Tariq putting that beep on. Look at him.
Yeah, we got slice beef.
Hey.
Gatorade 6 ounce today.
You feel me?
Nice black shirt. Probably named, who knows?
You feel me?
Marvin or Martian. Just gotta put the colors together. Now explain your fit.
Club jiggy, you know. Must be flyers to get in, you feel me? Shout out to them. Jordan pants, slice stuff, off-whites, blazers, nobody got these. Want some slice shit. Porter JB's, rapping my girl food. You know, we skaters around here with the green undertone.
It's light day, it's slice stuff, feel me?
This ain't nothing.
Slice. The other day, in the lights. Right.
You feel me?
We gotta go find Jamari. Is he inside?
Nah, he's not inside.
Mari to the end of the hour.
That boy come stepping with them boots. He couldn't do a lid like that. I'm gonna go get these trailers, so I'll be back.
See what he say. You're not answering. Taught this man everything he knows. That's my brother bagging in. I taught him well. He still got some training to do, but other than that, he's all right. We got Josh. Now, where are we going? Here? Another episode of Chop Talk coming right now.
You punching all down here.
Look at, he ain't got no knuckles. Look, where his knuckle at? Oh my God. God.
If you get hit, you gonna feel that motherfucker.
Right.
Yeah.
Go on top of the building.
Did they? Oh no,
I don't think so.
It's gonna be the intro. I'm a sniper now. You're not gonna hit me. I'm gonna hit you.
I'm gonna knock them glasses off your face.
You don't know how to throw. I'm a sniper. Watch this. Red fight. Who y'all
y'all got y'all money on? Who y'all got y'all money on? Smack this one. Y'all see that man's aim? Terrible. You know what time it is? What up, Pops? That's the Pops right there. That's the mama that's always sitting in the back. The Pops will come and make sure everybody good. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. There's like 3 families out here too. That's the crazy thing. That Pops. That's the Pops.
Those the baby. This is National Geographic.
It's another family
National
that got 3.
Geographic segment of this.
Al-Amin Geographic. Oh, there go the family of 3 over there. They finna swim. So look, what they do, I realize the Pops will swim out in front. He'll come check the scene out, but then he'll turn them back around. They never come. I've been trying to feed them. But look, they calling the goons coming through.
Oh, sorry about that. Spread the wealth.
People ask, why would you feed these? Why would you feed the geese? Everybody got to eat.
Nobody asks that.
No, people do. Why are you feeding them?
Like
even with
y'all want something too? Come check it out.
Even with straight animals.
Come here.
Why are you feeding that stray cat? Man, everybody got to eat. If you got it, why not support? As long as it's with good intents, that's all that matters, right?
We gotta save some for them. You see, the little babies have.
I was trying to feed them with Josh yesterday, but they felt the magnitude of the earth starting to quake when they walked, so they left. They wasn't messing with us. Here, missing. Take it too long, bro.
If they all start flocking, you gotta run.
Nah, you don't know. They cool. These right here, I feed them.
These are sons, little beyond. Don't ask how. That's not for you to know.
We share the wealth around here.
So nice segment we can talk about how I started working. Speak on this experience too. So what was I? I was in high school, 16 years old when I started working here at Al-Amin Brothers Transportation. Working my way up. Started sweeping the floors. And then I wanted to drive forklift, but right away I was scared and nervous. My daddy yelled at me for doing it, but I was already experienced. So one day, I was helping my cousin Rafi, shout out Rafi, unload a truck. I had a pallet jack. He said, "Man, what are you doing? Stop doing it." He said, "Hop on the forklift." I said, "Nah, if I mess something up, my dad gonna be mad." He ended up working out for the best. I was a natural, still are natural when it comes around the forklift. So, jack of all trades, man. So, forklift, working on the dock all high school year, well, all my years in high school. Even when I came back from college, my first year or whatever, I was still on the dock working, unloading trucks, loading trucks, whatever it may be, along with sweeping the floor still. So, that's how that went. And then what was that? My junior year during COVID is when I got my CDL. What was it, junior or senior? Junior year. Nah, it was what? One of the two, junior or senior year of college. I was a full-time college student at the University of Iowa. Shout out to the Hawkeyes. During winter break, I decided, let me go get my CDL. On top of being a full-time student, I had like 18 credit hours that semester. So at the time we were at home though, everything was online. I said I might as well go do something else. Got my CDL. Fun fact, shout out to 160 Driving Academy. That's the school that I went to. Great, if you want to get your CDL, free promo right here, by the way. 160 Driving Academy, great people. That's where I got my CDL at. But went there, got it in what, like a month and a half? Just because I wasn't there every day, because I was still in school and I had work to take care of. So got my CDL finally, and then after that, full time. But we're just gonna say this right now, you know, not even just because this is my family's business, but just life in general. When you're in a work environment, nothing should be beneath you, you know. Don't ever tell somebody you don't get paid to do that, because you never know what opportunity could come after you have done or completed that task that they asked you to do. So my dad always told me nothing is beneath me, no matter what it is in life. You know, he said if I need you to sweep the floors, take the garbage out, things like that, him and my uncles, if they need me to do anything around here, you should do it, no matter what. So that's how I live. Nothing is beneath me. I'm not better than anybody else in this world. So yeah, I have one more thing to say. I'm drawing a blank right now. Ah! It'll come back. Yeah, we're just living right now. Soaking it all in. We are one with nature. And God's creations, they're eating good right now.
Sometimes this is what living is. Accepting life of all creation. This is a beautiful thing. Feels great outside. How hot is it? Let me see. It's 68 degrees, sunny. It's a high of 75 today and a low of 56. It's currently 11:33. And look at all of the wildlife that comes here. Yesterday, I seen we had a turtle in here.
He got the word of the day for us right here.
Hey, one of these days, all I tell them, you know what I'm saying? Every day you wake up, baby, you got a choice and a chance.
Oh yeah.
Hold that steering wheel, mash on the motor.
Oh yeah.
You keep it moving, baby. That's
Yep.
how we do it. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do today. You know what? I'm gonna make somebody mad. For real, I'm gonna make somebody mad. I'm gonna do some work. That's what's gonna happen. Man, Job. What's going on, Job? You doing all right today, Job?
What's up, my boy? He said, what's up, driver?
What you gonna do today, driver? Okay then, driver. I'll call you later then, driver. Alright, I'll holler at y'all. And let's jump in.
What's
Oh,
up?
I gotta let him call me. Two. He be around me so much. Every time he hear me answer the phone.
We are here in the garage. Masterpiece.
Big A model.
Equations, big A model, division. Division. Fantastic, spectacular, masterpiece, one of a kind, one of one. Beautiful. Paint is laid. Everything on this truck is perfect. Big 3408. Big 3408. Hop on this side, hop on this side. Listen to it. 2 sticks. 6 and a 4. Yeah, it does the job. Listen to how the door closes. Chef's kiss. Beauty. Beauty. Then we got the cab over. Yeah, that's a shake up. Our garage is big for the 359. So, Flight 800 right next to it. Glass that's flat. And then we got the big blue goose in the back. Always relaxed. that'll be the end of this video while editing a video dropping right now. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications on. Wear that safety vest to stay safe. But yeah, that's the end of this one. Chill day. Gave a little background to me of how I worked my way up the range. So yeah, just work hard. Nothing is beneath you in life. Make yourself vulnerable at work. Take any opportunity that's given to you, no matter what it is, even if you don't know what it is. Because 9 times out of 10 they're gonna train you to do that. That's the easiest way to elevate and surpass other peers in the work environment. It's very easy. Very easy. You try that, just put yourself out there and see what happens. You get promotions, raises, all of that. Put yourself first. Don't think they don't pay me enough for that, because you never know what can come out of it. Do that.